Tell me, Vance, what happened backstage? Were you able to see the Canary?
No luck, Charles. She's about as hard to get out in her dressing room as she is in that swing. If you want an idea of what I ran into back there, let me point out a few of her admirers. You see a man standing in the box opposite?
Yeah.
Lindquist.
Oh.
He was outside her dressing room just now, along with these other two.
Mm.
I understand that the Canary has a clause in all three of them.
Are they rich?
Oh, naturally.
Well, then what does she want with my son? The allowance I give Jimmy is hardly tempting.
Ah, my dear Charles, our little feathered friend in the swing there has social ambitions. She wants to be Mrs. Jimmy Spotswood.
Impossible. I'd do anything in my power to prevent that, even if Jimmy still cared for her. And I still believe that she'll listen to dollars and cents.
I wouldn't be too sure of that, Charles. As you know, I've more or less made a hobby of crime and criminals. That girl is no ordinary blackmailer. I'm firmly convinced that she'll stop at nothing to marry Jimmy.
But Jimmy won't have her. I tell you, he has really come to his senses.
Another girl?
Yes. Well, you know her. Alice.
Oh, yes, of course. A very nice girl, too.
Yes, she is. Vance, I'm afraid that I'll have to use my own judgment in this matter. I'm going to see this Canary at her apartment as soon as possible.
Well, very well, Charles. But, act quickly. Oh, I know you'll smile, but... You know, I have a strange premonition that the Canary is headed for disaster.
Evening, Mr. Spotswood.
Hello there.
Shall I announce you to Miss Odell?
No, don't bother. That's perfectly all right.
Very well.
Jimmy!
Alice.
Jimmy, you were going to see the Canary again.
No, I wasn't, dear. In fact, I just started to put this note under her door to tell her so.
Oh, Jimmy, I'm afraid of her. Oh, she's clever and cruel and unscrupulous. She'll hurt us again. I know she will.
No, dear. She can't hurt us now.
Hey, boy, will you announce my name? Never mind.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Jimmy.
Why, hello, Dad.
Good evening, Alice.
Good evening, Mr. Spotswood.
You know, I'm delighted that you and Jimmy